Monga. I'm a nursery teacher. I love my kids very much. I'm a St. Joseph Convent school teacher. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Bhavna Dogra. I'm a nursery teacher and I'm working with these small children since 15 years. So, I don't know, I'm in such a system, like I have a daughter, 21-year-old. I treat her the same way. And she is like annoyed. Mama, why are you treating me like that? But the system is so much in me that, thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am Deepti Bhari. Okay, good morning, everyone. I am Deepti Bhari and I am a KG teacher. I am taking UKG D and I am also a coordinator this side. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyanka Verma and KG teacher. I'm teaching LKG and UKG C. Thank you so much.
Good morning everybody, this is Priyanka Chauhan and I'm taking LKG and UKG B, and I believe that we as teachers, we have to go on learning, and I hope the same we learn lots from Sir today.
Good morning everyone, my name is Bhavna Luthra and I'm taking up spoken English classes for kindergarten and nursery, and this is my first experience taking up kindergarten. I've always taught senior classes and I believe that, as we all know, that children are like wet clay and the way you mold them, they'll take up the same shape. So we as teachers are still doing it and we'll continue doing the same efforts of molding our children's personality, that they become a good human, apart from being good in academics, but overall they develop their personality. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Shikha and I'm a KG teacher, and what I want to share is, when I'm around these small little kids, I just forget all my problems and I feel one of them. So I love these small kids.
Good morning everyone. I am from St. Joseph's Convent School, Tina, and I am a nursery teacher. And it's been 10 years I am a nursery teacher, so I enjoy my work. When recently they joined nursery class, started, so a new experience. Every year we met with new experience. So it's very unique, every time it's very unique experience. When the new students come, then we learn how to make them sit, how to make them learn. So every time we get new experience. And one thing, I want to thank you, sir. It's been 10 years, I'm a KG teacher and all the teachers, but you are the one who appreciated us in front of everyone. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
I'm not that rich. One day I'll be like Elon Musk. I'll be coming with a Mercedes.
To share with my teachers. Now, I have been working here from 14 years. This time is the first time I am getting nursery. I just want to share something with you. One child came like this. Ma'am, patina aaya hai mujhe. Please mera patina saaf kar do. Then I took the tissue and like this. Then she came, Mama, ma'am, aap mama ho na meri, mujhe ghar le jao. So I am enjoying this. First time I am taking nursery. I am so excited. I am just learning so many things with the kids. And whenever they say na, Mama paas jana hai, they start crying. They start crying. Even I start crying. मैंने भी मम्मा पास जाना. अच्छा, आपने भी मम्मा पास जाना है. Like this only. I'm just enjoying. I'm really so excited. First time I'm getting this. Every day new things I'm learning. Mama paas jana hai. Mama kul jana hai. I don't understand Punjabi properly. Sometimes they say Mama kul jana hai. Mama Papa paas jana hai. Mama paas jana hai. Khana nahi khana. Aap bhi khana kha lo. Thank you so much.
You're from which place?
I'm from Jammu. Actually, basically, I'm Kashmiri.
Kashmiri.
Yeah, Kashmiri. क्या छू नाम से? प्रीति मोंगा.
I did in Kathua and everywhere. I had been. Yes, yes. God bless you. God bless you. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anjali, and I am teaching in UKG class from last 7 years. I am from St. Joseph, Dhina, and I am enjoying teaching in class. And they are my best friend in my class. They are sharing all the stories of their home with me every day. They are telling me what they have done yesterday, what they ate, what mama did, what papa did. Everything they are sharing with me. And I am their best friend. They are my best friends.
This is our workshop, so everybody is participating. Everybody has to come.
A very warm morning to everyone. This is Grace. I'm representing St. Joseph Convent School, Dhina. And I'm recently appointed in Joseph Convent School, Dhina. And this is a quite new experience for me to deal with the KG students, because sometimes they used to cry, they used to frustrate me even as well. Because I am a new, so sometimes I used to check their bags to take out the copies and all that. So I feel like quite interesting in learning all these things. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm Kirti, and I'm a KG teacher in St. Joseph Convent Junior School, and it is the first time when I'm taking KG class. Actually, I'm MSc in Physics, sir. And my all teaching experience is as a TGT and a PGT teacher. But this time I was given KG class, and it was a big challenge for me also to accept this class and to teach this class. But as a physics teacher, I just loved one rule of Newton, and that was Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So I thought that whenever I will give love and regard to everyone, then it will come back to me also. So I'm getting the love and regard from the parents as well as students. So I'm very happy also. Thank you so much.
Physics teachers are ichhadhari teachers. You send them to the maths class, they will teach maths. Okay, chemistry, physics. Even we can speak that English that we can leave behind in the race. Well, all
Physics is nothing, but I think that is a combination of different subjects. In physics, we can study maths, we can study even the social skills. Also, we can study in physics. And each and every subject is included in physics, I think.
All nature is physics, right? So, thank you, dear honorable teachers. For some people, they are for the students, they are not teachers. Some are Buaji, some is Mummy ji, some is Chachi ji, some is Dadi ji, some is Nani ji, and कई मेरे जैसे शरारती बच्चे होते हैं, मम्मा जब मैं बड़ा होऊंगा मैं शादी भी मैम से करूँगा. And you know, in the morning time, everybody is now having a lot of superstitions. The morning time, you switch over the television. There will be some Pandaji sitting there. आज चंद्रमा आपके अष्टम राशि में है, आपको सावधान रहना होगा, and so on. वो तो ऐसे बताते हैं, लेकिन they know the real stories of each and every house.
There's this boy who used to always give me a flower. So one day he came up to me and he said, "Ma'am, I've got this rose flower." So I said, "Thank you," and I just kept it. "No, ma'am, put it here." And I was just taken aback that he wants me to put it on my head.
So, मैंने ऐसे तो नहीं बोला कि आप लोग भगवान हो, गॉडेस हो, आप सब कुछ हो. Even I'll tell you one thing, जो मतलब मुझे प्राउड होता है शेयर करते हुए. Sometimes, attendant doesn't like to change the diapers. Mother teachers come, they do it. And you know, like now what kind of problems, mother teacher, you face, and a question you would like to ask me, and because I told you that the content will be generated, then we will find the, not me, we will find the answer. And after the session is over, who is teacher? Didi, I'm not a teacher, just stand there. According to you, who is a teacher?
A teacher is a teacher is a person who guides you for your future, for in every step of life.
Teacher who is
give us values for our future. That's all. Second, yeah. Yeah, second one.
Please, I request. मैम सभी लोग कंफर्टेबल फील कर रहे हैं? आपको पता लगा 28 minutes have gone. ताली तो बजा दो फिर मेरे लिए.
Good morning, everyone. According to me, teacher is a second mother to a child. Like we keep on saying children like we are like a mother. So whatever problem is there, you come to us. According to me, it is like that. I'm Dhaval. I'm here from last 3 years. I take class quality, EVS at Punjab also.
You are second version of mother. जैसे iOS 15.16, you are updated version of mother teacher. God bless you. Hope workshop is going good.
Good. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We're learning a lot. Learning a lot, sir.
Should I say one thing interesting? I'm sharing you today. I had been. You can take seat, ma'am. Like, देखो, पुलिस, ट्रैफिक पुलिस वाला और टीचर अगर कहीं बैठ जाए तो not doing job. आज मैं.
We are in front of camera also, so we are
See, my all 400 plus workshops are recorded because this message is for everybody, and we people are when discussing something, it is meant for every teacher of the country, world rather, and India is proud to be having great teachers, like great poets, and particularly when I come to Jalandhar, Nawashehar, and this area, Lasada. Lasada is the place where Raj Kapoors were settled after the partition. And Nawashehar is a place of Marishpuri, Madanpuri. Okay, and Jalandhar is the land of B.R. Chopra, Yash Chopra. So big round of applause for Jalandhar. Such a great place. And once I had got a chance to have a workshop in Akal Academy, I was traveling. There was written Sansarpur. I was a kid, I remember 11 out of 11 hockey players, 10 were from Sansarpur. Big round of applause for this lad. If this workshop is going good, I just remember seat of Vikram Aditya. A person comes and sits there, starts doing justice. So this is the aura of this positivity of this land. So if it's going good, just because of you people, because you are born and brought up here. Some are from HMV, some are from KMV. When I was in Guru Nanak Dev University, we have defined some different names. But God bless you, it's an awesome place. Awesome. Anyway, I got a chance to work in JNU. So my lot of friends from Jalandhar, not as a teacher, as a instructor in the BTech department. So, anybody else who would like to add on one? Who is teacher? Anybody? देखो कई टीचर्स पता उठ के क्यों नहीं आते? मेरा मन तो है जानते पर नाल वाली की कहेगी. मैं आज एक resource I have to create so many resource persons here. Okay,